Welcome to Airstream Wheeler. Please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more Airstream Wheeler content. We ordered a rear corner mattress from Airstream Supply company, and we had a problem with it, and so they sent us a new one. We decided that there was really nothing to be lost in attempting to repurpose the foam and make our couch more plush and more comfortable. We've removed the upholstery on the center part of the couch. It was not a particularly hard task, but certainly not pleasant.
Pretty sure this is 10 pounds of foam in a 5-pound bag.
Anybody who knows you in the real world knows that this is your specialty, Andrew.
Overpacking?
10 pounds of
Foam?
Durf in a 5-pound bag. Are we all packed up into that trash bag?
That's all it's gonna fit.
Perfect. The couch wires are pretty saggy, and when you sit on it, we kind of just bottom out really easily. And I think the thicker, more plush foam padding is going to be significantly more comfortable in the future.
Which means we need to cut off the bottom so it drops. Now, the other question is, how much is this over?
It's pretty significant.
All right, so really this, getting it back is about still 8 inches over. I'm gonna remove about 4 inches as a test from the middle of this mattress so that it bends into a couch shape. I might need to remove as much as 8, but I don't want to overdo it, so I'm going to start with 4. I'm going to mark it off, make a straight line, and then I'm going to cut it with a long razor blade.
We're leaving the backer on so that we can use it as an envelope to fit over the metal framing. Because this project is experimental, we decided to use caution and incrementally remove chunks of foam. The key to successfully cutting this for Andrew was to have a long, sharp blade.
So taking 4 inches out to get that to set down a little bit. I'm going to take another 4 inches out because I'm headed in the right direction, but not there yet.
This is what the inside of your mattress from Airstream Supply looks like. So you can see here where I had glue for the blue layer and then the white layer. And then how for most of the bed, I didn't. This is why they sent me a new mattress, because while I was sleeping, I'm a turbulent sleeper, so here it was like balling up underneath me. I was sleeping on this like lump of foam. I did not have that problem in this area though, as you can see. This is my board spokes model. He is modeling the newly installed couch, and these are the covers that I ordered off of Amazon. They're just stretchy. At some point we'll get upholstery, but for now, ta-da! We picked up a fresh sheet of plywood so that Andrew could cut the door for under the couch, and we can replace the side compartments with wood that is clean and fresh and make it taller so that it accommodates the new cushion height. The added height in our side compartments is going to be awesome. We typically store our lightweight shipping supplies up in those arms.
I'm removing the side storage bin to make it taller, and if you've seen perhaps our other video, I've had this out before where I replaced this floor. So this is a good opportunity for me to check and see if it's leaking, and I don't think it is. Along with the couch modification, we felt like the side arms were a little bit low, so we actually wanted to do it a little bit differently. So I'm going to make the storage bin taller and give myself a little bit of a laptop shelf on the end here.
Here Andrew's cutting out the pieces to make the arm, and what I can say about this is that I am very keen to have it not be fabric and not be upholstered, so I can put a cup of tea and my laptop there. This is just an extra stretchy cover for right now until I can get upholstery. We can do many things at Airstream Wheeler. Sewing is definitely not one of them. So we covered the outlet here, and we plan to regain access. Not today. This is enough for today. But we plan to maybe put a hole to run cords through, or a charging station inside, or to be determined. And then this door here will get a handle, and this one will get a lid, and it'll all get like finished and painted, stained, something eventually. But for now, that's what we have.
Found a peanut.
Ew. What we need to do now is figure out how to make the back edge be supported against the wall. And there had been like a block of wood, and we're thinking about just moving it up. The problem is if someone demolishes this in the future and they want to put in their own version of a couch, they're going to have holes up high where things have been attached. So it's not exactly my preferred solution. A really full cup of tea is gonna spill at that angle.
So this has a work with it. We have to take that out.
Switch sides. We kept the original strips of wood that held the other armrests in place so that we could reinstall them on our newly cut ones. Installing these removed any of the cupping that we had out of the plywood. So we're rounding up the tools and getting done for the day. And this is what this looks like. If we take this cushion and get it professionally upholstered, the area here they could glue, an upholstery shop, a proper shop could glue on the remaining square to make it match the other side, and then they could professionally upholster this, and you would not be any wiser that it used to be a curved Airstream Supply mattress. I'm pretty excited. It's a lot more plush and it's way more comfortable. I haven't decided whether I'm going to paint or stain, but I do know that we need to seal the wood and protect it. Like and subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can find out what we decide to do.